Daniel Rouzier, a man of faith and action. This graduate of Dartmouth and Georgetown founded the largest car dealership in his country and started his nation's biggest independent power company. Not bad for a boy born in Port-au-Prince, Haiti. But then came January 12. That devastating earthquake shook Haiti by its core, but not Daniel's faith. That would prove unbreakable. Daniel had always given back, working for charities providing much needed help for the unprivileged. But the quake left a crisis unimaginable, even in this poor country. His own government and others from around the world were doing all they could to find, help, and feed hundreds of thousands of survivors. But what about those who did not survive? The Haitian government estimated at least 150,000 people died in this quake. These bodies needed to be buried, but resources were stretched to the limit to help the living. So it seemed like nobody cared about those who died. Haitians are overwhelmingly Roman Catholic, and so Daniel believed, even under these circumstances, they should have a proper burial. So he enlisted a Haitian bishop and an American priest to bless these grave sites. He turned his body shop into a foundry to make crosses, to mark the final resting place of these 2,500 Haitians. And Daniel oversaw everything personally, so that these souls will receive a measure of grace and never be forgotten.